Action.
Vic Darchinyan, absolutely fabulous in victory. The 15th of his short professional career, a 2002 Olympian, originally from Armenia. And G 2003 is going to be a massive year, not only for Vic Darchinyan, the Raging Bull, but for many members of Team Fenech. It's my pleasure now to welcome Paul Upham from Seconds Down, one of the Seconds Out, should I say, big fella, one of the most fabulous boxing websites. They cover news domestically and abroad. Let's start on Australian shores, and there is word around that Shannon Taylor and Julian Holland are ready to get it on for the second time.
We saw the first great fight on Fox Sports, Andy, and I've heard this week that negotiations are on. Holland and Shannon Taylor, they both need a win to get their careers back up onto that world level they want to see. And hey, all the Australian fans will love to see that rematch. Such a great fight the first time around.
With the two guys for so long, they wanted to get it on, and so often happens in boxing. Once they reach that pinnacle, there's so much goes into one fight, and both guys' careers really haven't progressed as they would have liked since that fight.
Well, Julian Holland got the first win, and he performed well, and Shannon Taylor was obviously disappointed. But since then, they've both had disappointing losses, and they really need this fight to launch themselves back onto the world stage. And I know Shannon Taylor would really love a chance to redeem himself in a rematch.
Oh, would he ever, would he ever. Team Fenech, as I just said, Vic Darchinyan, another impressive performance. Big things in 203 for the whole camp.
Yeah, well, first up, we've got Nader Handel, who's going to be fighting in Perth on a card over there. And the word is that Oscar De La Hoya might be giving up the WBC junior middleweight title. That would open the way for Nader Handel, who's currently number 2 in the world rate of the WBC, to fight for a world title shot. And that could happen in the first 6 months of 2003.
Young bloke that's waited an awful long time for Nader Hamden.
We've seen a lot of improvement, on Fox Sports. Every fight he gets better and better, and really he feels that he's up to that world level stage. I know Jeff's very confident that he could perform well and maybe fight Xavier Castillo from Spain and become the WBC junior middleweight champion.
It was only 3 or 4 years ago, Nader Hamden was nothing more than an in-ring thug. There was very little science to it. He'd get in there, he'd whack hard. He has turned it round 100%.
I think you asked Jeff Fenech, it's his dedication to the gym. He wants to learn all the time. He wants to be a better fighter. He wants to be a world champion. He's got that grit, Andy. He's got that determination. He wants to be a world champion. He wants to be the best in the world, and he'll do anything he possibly can, and that's what makes a difference for Nader Handel, and that's why he's improved so much.
Always a pleasure talking to you. Paul Upham there, joining us right here at Rosehill.